Okay, scope, relation of homeopathic pharmacy with materia medica. The knowledge and understanding of materia medica may be enhanced by the knowledge of homeopathic pharmacy. Okay, means when we are knowing the homeopathic pharmacy, we know the sources of drug collection and proving, etc. Okay, so by this way we can understand about the materia medica or guiding symptoms of materia medica, or we can just correlate with the materia medica. Illustrations, okay, some examples are there. Okay, means drugs of vegetable kingdom are short acting and useful in acute diseases. Okay, remember this. Okay, because sometimes we need this type of means shortcut ideas. Okay, when we are prescribing. Okay, so drugs of vegetable kingdoms are short acting and useful in the acute diseases. Okay, drugs from the mineral animal kingdoms and nosodes are deep acting and used in a chronic diseases. Okay, normally they are used for the chronic problems. Then drugs belonging to the same family may be related to each other, but it is not necessary. Okay, means suppose drugs are of same family. Okay, same kingdom, same plant kingdom, same family. Okay, then it may happen that their action may be just matching. Okay, so sometimes it is useful. Okay, like if you know the family of two drugs, you know the guiding symptom of one drug, you can write, or you can know the guiding symptom of other drug with same family. Okay, but it is not always right. Okay, Arum triphyllum and Caladium belongs to the same family Araceae and are inimical to each other. Okay, that's why I told you it is not always true. Okay, because sometimes they are just opposite to each other. Already we have discussed in drug medicine and remedies. Okay, then Nux vomica and Ignitia belongs to family Loginaceae and are inimical to each other. Okay, they are opposite to each other. Belladonna and Dulcamara belongs to Solanaceae and are inimical to each other. Okay, means they are opposite in action to each other. Ranunculus bulbosus and Staphysagrea belongs to the Ranunculaceae and are inimical to each other. Okay, all these things are homeopathic medicines. Okay, Alosocotina, Allium cepa, Allium sativa, and Scilla belongs to the Liliaceae but do not follow each other. Okay, means they are of same family. Okay, but they are not following each other. Okay. Then snake venoms belongs to the same family and have similarity in action but do not follow each other. Okay. Halogens like chlorine, bromine, iodine, and fluorines are similar to each other. Okay, already I think you have studied in class 11th and 12th. Okay, these family relations, halogen group, hydrogen group. Okay, all the group relations you have studied. Okay, so you will study in group relation also. You will study the materia medica. Okay, group study of materia medica. So this family relation will be there also. Okay. So you have to know, but this is I think in fourth year. Okay, key different family relations. Nosodes are harmful in low potencies but acts better in the higher potencies. Okay, always nosodes are prescribed in higher potency. Remember it. Already we have discussed in posology. Okay, metal drugs belongs well vegetable drug in treatment. Okay, metal drugs follow well vegetable drugs in treatment. Okay, means just when you have given any vegetable kingdom drug, after that you can give any metal drug. Okay, that is following. Okay, the mostly they follow the vegetable kingdom drugs. Okay, doctrine of signature, already we have discussed about doctrine of signature. Okay, doctrine of signature was a belief that God has placed a sign on the healing substances indicating their use against diseases. Okay, but this you can also use in the relationship of homeopathic pharmacy with the materia medica. Okay, the idea of the doctrine of signature is inferred the nature of the action of a substances from the physical appearance and properties from their color and forms. Okay, means already we have discussed ki if they have color is there, okay, related with the disease. Okay, any organ size is there. Okay, so like that we can just assume ki haan, this may work. Okay, and with the experience of the tribal people and the villagers, okay, herbal medicine people, we can just know that its treatment part. Okay, the examples are there like belladonna. Belladonna grow in soil rich in calcium carbonate, hence calcium carbonate is complementary to belladonna. Already we have discussed about this. Remember this, okay? Because these are asked in the exams, okay? Keep like give any examples, or you can write when doctrine of signature is there, you can write examples. Tarantula hispanica is a spider that comes out when drums are beaten. The tarantula patient is sensitive to the music, okay? Means when there is drum is, if you have heard when people used to just catch the tarantula, okay, they used to beat the drums, okay. Then digitalis may be of use in blood diseases as it flows are adorned to the blood color dots, okay. Means digitalis has a color that is like a blood dots, okay. Then euphrasia, okay, euphrasia is good for eye complaint. It is a good remedy for eyes, and it has a black spot in corolla that looks like a pupil, okay. That's why it is a euphrasia is good medicine for eyes, okay. Cineraria is also a good medicine for eyes, okay. Then hypericum, having a red juice, may be used for hemorrhage, okay. Hypericum is normally a good medicine for nerve complaints, okay. Rustox plants are collected in damp weather, rainy season, in evening, as it possesses more medicinal properties. They are also in its modalities. Okay, so these rustox, if like fever is because of the change in weather, rainy season, okay, all these things, the rustox may be a good medicine. Okay. Then bryonia is prepared from roots, which is fresh, yellowish, white in color, rough with acid and bitter taste. Okay. So bryonia patient is also fleshy with yellowish, white coated tongue. Okay. Different type of tongues already. You will study in Materia Medica. Okay. This is one book is there. I think I have already told in class. Okay. One book, Tongue Do Not Lie by Dr. Prakash Vakil. Okay. So he has written a good book related with the tongue, okay, different shapes, size, okay, of the tongue, so that you can identify or you can just know the pathogenesis or the disease, okay, and related with Materia Medica also. Rough, irritating temperaments and possessing bitter taste in the mouth, okay. So till here, any doubt? Very simple things are there, okay, means it is actually already we have discussed, okay, but just I have to revise this because it is related to the relationship of homeopathic pharmacy with the Materia Medica, okay. So till here you have any doubt, anything you want to ask? Okay, roll number 10.
Yes, sir.
Any doubt in doctrine of signature, which is in relation to homeopathic pharmacy with Materia Medica? Anything you want to ask in this?
Sorry, sir. No problem.
No problem, na? Okay.